Here's the ReBella Blood Draw Kit. You can see that the components of the kit are listed here, although what's not listed here is one item that I'll show you that we've started including as well. Regen Suppliers is the exclusive distributor of this particular blood draw kit. You can see the number here in regensuppliers.com. So let's open it up here. All right. So one thing you'll see right off the bat is that there are two of these 60cc syringes. Pull this over a little bit. All right, there's one. These are the same. Here's the second one. I'll put this one the other way. There's also a third syringe. It's a 10cc syringe as well. Okay. Now, let's go a little further. You'll notice that there are two alcohol prep pads as well as Tourniquet. Okay. There's also a gauze pad, a gauze sponge. There is a butterfly needle, which you can see easier if I flip it that way. Okay. Then you also have an 18 gauge needle if you need to drop the blood and then switch it from the butterfly to this to then put it into PRP or PRF kit. We also do include a couple of these. I only have one here, but there's usually two. This is ACD, so if you need to drop the anticoagulant and use it in the syringe before the blood draw, you absolutely will have that. And lastly, a good old Band-Aid. There you go, everything you need for a successful blood draw.